Hi, my name is Tommy from Prusa, and today we're here to talk about the Core 1 index, specifically the difference between the front plates of the Founders Edition and the Prusa Edition. Let's take a closer look. In this case, we removed the front door of each printer to make it a bit more visible. While both editions are functionally the same, the Founders Edition has these diagonal bars that add to some stability that we have removed in the Prusa Edition. These, while functional, do obstruct visibility a little bit. Here on the Prusa Edition, you can see the diagonal bars have been removed to improve on the visibility a bit more. At the same time, we've also changed the holes at the bottom, slightly expanding on their size, also adding a bit more viewing space. So there are also slight cosmetic differences, with the index text being added as well as the Founders Edition sign, giving it a bit of a highlight and appeal to it. On the Prusa Edition, we wanted to highlight the collaboration between Prusa Research and Bondtech. You also added slight changes to the coloring of the text and numbers. So thanks for tuning in, have a great day, and happy printing!